testing along the way. This set includes many gears, mechanisms, and power transmissions. It's crucial to test the power and gear transmission along the way to ensure they run smoothly. After completing Bag 1, connect the motor to the battery module, turn on the power, and check if the gears run smoothly. In Bag 2, once you complete the 2 stairways, Bag 2, Step 11 and Bag 2, Step 51, manually test them to ensure they work properly. After finishing Bag 2, turn on the power to test both stairways and ensure they run smoothly. Then, manually place a ball to test the stairways function. In Bag 3, Step 61, after completing the large base section, manually test it to ensure the gears, axles, and transmission are working properly. Then, install it into the set and connect it with the gear section from Bag 1. Turn on the power, and test to check if everything runs smoothly. Once Bag 3 is complete, turn on the power for both motors to check if everything, including the gears, stairways, and dinosaur's mouth flame, runs smoothly. In Bag 4, Step 48, after completing the vertical chain lift, manually test it to ensure it works properly. Once the manual test is successful, install it into the set, connect everything, and turn on the power to check if it runs smoothly. Then, manually place a ball to test its lift function and ensure it can take the ball up. Once you complete Bag 5, you need to secure the top with an axle and a round plate to test the rotating lift. Follow our video instructions to install these pieces and test. Once secured, turn on the power and manually drop a ball at the rotating lift's bottom entrance to test its function. In Bag 6, Step 18, the first step for installing the hose track. After installing the first part of the track, manually place a ball to check if the track works properly. From this step onward, each hose track section must be manually tested after installation. Once all the hose tracks are done, manually drop a ball to test the entire track.